Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's just Rae today, and as you can see, we're going to be doing a top knot / messy bun tutorial. So here you guys see me, not freshly woken up, but that's how I went to bed the night before. I'm looking quite like Medusa, but my hair was quite itchy, so I decided to add some oil and massage it into my scalp. My hair is in twists because I've been wearing this style for the past couple days, so I just twist it up at night to keep it in the bun form. So I'm just showing you guys what you need. This is a pantyhose that I got from Walmart. That's a nude color, but if you can get the black, then go ahead and do that. And so I'm just spraying the perimeter of my hair. You don't want to put products on dry hair. So my brush had two sides, so I was just showing you guys. I'm using the harder side just to comb all of that nappy and kinkiness up. Now we're taking the pantyhose, and it's pretty simple. You guys can see what I'm doing. You just tighten it, get it as tight as you can for the smaller the bun, I guess.
But don't forget to post a pic of you with your bae. And by the way, I see right through it. I let you slide.
And this is the hair that we're gonna be using today. It's optional. I just didn't want to pull out the rest of my twist, so it's just some leftover Marley hair. If you're natural, you probably have some laying around at home, to be honest. So here I'm pulling out the twist, but I realized you guys couldn't see it, so I had to move the camera. So I only pulled out about 2, maybe 3 twists, and then I pinned the rest down. I feel like the most important tool that we're using today is bobby pins, because I used a lot. I took out some afterwards, but I used a lot of bobby pins, so make sure you have some. So you guys can see what I'm doing. You just wrap the Marley hair around, and then you wrap your hair around it. And if you get the right color, having type 4 hair, I feel like this is one of the easiest hairstyles, just because your hair blends so well with it. Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see that?
Every night when you be partying, and you come late night trying to hide your phone, you know that end up in an argument. Why you always taking risks with me? Hold me close by my waist, take pics with me. Want me questions with me?
Now I'm taking my xoxo. I love this stuff. And you slap it on there. You just put it on there, and I put the water because it helps take it better. And if you want, you can stop right here. You don't have to go any further, and you can be out the door. But yeah, that doesn't work for me. I have to lay my edges, so I'm taking the infamous Gorilla Snot, and I'm slapping that on there. And yeah, you just go in with your little toothbrush or your comb, whatever you use. This is an old toothbrush, and just go until they look how I want. So I'm taking my bandana, and you wrap it up, and I leave it on for about 10 minutes, and y'all are seeing me act the fool, whatever. After 10 minutes is up, this is how your edges should be looking. Ooh, do y'all see that? I had to put it in slow-mo. Do y'all see that? The adolescent hairs are slayed and laid. So again, you can stop right here if you want to, but I just like the look of the little twigglies. I don't know, what do you call them? The little twigglies on the side. So thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. Now you see how I get this top not really a knot messy bun situation. Yeah, if you guys like hair videos like this is your first time seeing natural hair on our channel. Yeah, baby. If you guys like seeing natural hair videos like this, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that, and see you in our next video.